Hello, this is Keith with Oak Trust Properties. Today, we wanted to show you some of the value that we bring to our new homeowners through some before and after pictures of homes that we help revive. Both of these homes were brought to us in need of restoration. When we take on a home in need of restoration, from start to finish, we strive to create the best value for our homeowners and residents. We take pride in relieving the stress off of our homeowners during what can often be an overwhelming experience. For these two renovations, we use fully licensed, insured, and trusted vendors. In the first property, we did a full repaint, all to one color, flooring replacement, LVT and carpet, several various maintenance issues, landscape cleanup, and a full clean. In the other, a pressure wash, tree trimming and landscape repair, various handyman items, duct and electrical work, full trash out, foundation repair, mold remediation, and a full clean. These types of enhancements improve the value of the home and maximize the owner's return on investment. We look forward to working with you soon. More information, give us a call.